So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable personal meeting ID on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then you guys will need to search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section right here. After that you guys can be able to see an option which is known as my account. Now just select this option and you guys will get on the profile page. After that you guys can see on your left there are a bunch of options. Now you just need to select one of them and that is this settings option. Now guys, after getting on this page, scroll down a little bit further until you guys see this section which is called schedule meeting, and now again scroll down and now you can see this option right here which is called enable personal meeting ID. Now you just need to switch off this button right here just like that, and now select this option and now select this option. So now guys, you have successfully disabled your personal meeting ID on Zoom application. So that's how you guys can be able to disable your personal meeting ID on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.